If you've seen edible flowers on restaurant plates and wondered how to get that same stunning look at home, here's the truth. You don't need a garden, a yard, or even an expert green thumb to grow them. Flowers like pansies, violets, and calendula thrive right on a sunny windowsill or under grow lights in any small space all year round. Most people think this is out of reach, but it's so much simpler than you'd expect. Stay with me and I'll show you the best edible flowers to grow indoors and exactly how to use them to make your food look and taste extraordinary. First, a quick safety note. Not all flowers are safe to eat. Only certain varieties are edible, and it's important to grow them with food safety in mind. Always use plants grown without pesticides and double check that what you're eating is safe. First up, we have violas and pansies, and this is a gem lavender viola. Their flavor is subtle, so they work great as bakery toppers and salads and even floating in cocktails. And here is penny citrus mix violas. These cheerful flowers are perfect for beginners. Pansies produce larger blooms, while violas offer smaller, more delicate flowers. Both have mild, slightly sweet flavor with hints of wintergreen. Pansies prefer cooler weather, making them ideal for indoor growing where temperatures stay between 60 and 70 degrees. I'm in Arizona and plan to eventually move these outside, so I'm going with violas. Chamomile. German chamomile produces small daisy-like flowers with white petals and yellow centers. The flowers have a sweet apple-like fragrance and mild flavor, perfect for herbal teas. Alyssum. For indoor gardens, sweet alyssum is a beautiful ornamental plant with delicate white, pink, or purple flowers that are edible and have a mild honey-like flavor, perfect for salads or garnishes. Calendulas. Select compact varieties for indoor gardens. These are usually easier to find as seeds like Oopsie Daisy, Orange Button, and Fiesta. Calendula is remarkably easy to grow and tolerates a range of light conditions, though it flowers best with good light. The plants are compact and bushy, making them perfect for containers. Harvest your flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. This is Bonbon Orange. I managed to find one compact variety at the nursery. Also called pot marigold, calendula produces bright orange and yellow daisy-like flowers with a slightly tangy and peppery taste. This makes them perfect for herbal teas, salads, and even coloring butter and rice. So these plants look great and are definitely ready to be transplanted in larger pots. So let's get started. I select pots that are only slightly larger than the original container. This minimalizes root rot. And when I select plants from the nurseries, I try to pick trays with the least amount of open blooms, and this will avoid transplant shock and give the plant time to get used to its new home. I like to use well-draining cactus soil, again to avoid root rot. Then later I'll top with a richer potting soil and fertilizer. I love these double pom-pom blooms on Bonbon. These mini calendula petals are perfect for ice cubes and sprinkling over salads. So we don't want to bruise the stems of our calendula flowers. So we want to loosen the cells first so that they come out easily. Alright, now I'm going to do a quick inspection and remove yellow or dying leaves. And it looks like this plant was really ready to go. You can see the roots kind of wrapping around the sides. This is ready to get into a larger pot. And I'll list our indoor gardening supplies in the description. Alright, I already have a little bit of the cactus mix in the bottom of the pot because I want to plant our calendula flowers at the same depth they were growing in the seed tray. So I'm just going to fill in the size and just pack it in as I go to remove air pockets, and so that after I water, it doesn't fall below the level of the plant. I have a grow tray ready for my flowers on my grow rack, and my lights are set on a timer for 15 hours each day. So here are some tips for a thriving indoor flower garden. Go for your compact or dwarf varieties. These fit in small spaces better. Use shallow pots for shallow rooted flowers, and make sure to turn your pots every few days for even sunlight. I like to regularly remove spent blooms for new growth, and keep the air moving around your plants to avoid mold. I have a small fan. I have a few more edible flowers growing outside that I would like to show you that would also be great for a bright sunny window or a patio garden. Nasturtiums. Flowers, leaves, and the seeds are edible. Snapdragons, large dramatic edible flowers. And lavender. These beautiful, delicious flowers infuse any liquid you put them in that flowery lavender flavor. And these tiny flowers also tend to hold salad dressing really well. This is a lace leaf variety that thrives in hot weather. Pineapple sage. The leaves and flowers are edible and are popular in teas. So growing edible flowers is a fun way to add beauty, fragrance, and a dash of flavor to your space, even if your space is tiny. So which flower would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, tap the like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more indoor gardening ideas. Check out the description for a free step-by-step guide to starting your own edible flower garden.